It's grass. It spends most of its time in the sea. It's seagrass. We weren't very inventive when we named it. Welcome to what you see versus what's actually there. So despite its fairly common name and the fact that it does look a little bit like a soggy lawn when it's out of the water, this plant does a lot more for our coastlines and wildlife than meets the eye. Seagrass spends most or all of its time under the water depending on the species, and between these swaying blades there are hundreds of creatures that call the seagrass meadows home. Some will live on the blades, some will hide within them and use them as a form of shelter, and other creatures will actually come and use that as a food source or even eat the plants themselves. Its roots go down and stabilise the sediment, and that can be really useful when protecting our coastlines from storm events or flooding. Some of the species that we have in Cumbria are different types of pipefish, crabs, even the critically endangered European eel. This plant also helps fight climate change by taking carbon out of the atmosphere and locking it into its cells. When the plants die, that organic matter and other organic matter in the sediment builds up around the plants to form layers that, if left undisturbed, can lock carbon away for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Seagrass meadows have come under a lot of pressure in the last century, and they need our help to get back to the healthy, dense meadows that they once were. This is why we're working to restore the seagrass meadows in Cumbria, and you can get in touch with us if you want to find out more about this or about how you can help.